This is Paul.
Yeah.
The full faith and credit given to protection orders.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Continuing exclusive jurisdiction.
Yeah.
Parenting plan.
Mm-hmm.
Relocation Act.
Yeah.
Domestic violence protection order.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Any protection order that is issued consistent with the requirements of the federal law must be accorded full faith and credit by the courts of another state, Indian tribe, or territory.
Yeah.
The protection order is consistent with federal requirements if issuing court had jurisdiction over the parties and subject matter. Under the laws of the state, Indian tribe, or territory, and reasonable notice and opportunity to be heard were given to the person against whom the order is sought, sufficient to protect the person's right to due process. Now, ex parte orders are covered by these provisions if notice and opportunity to be heard is provided within the time required by the state, tribal, or territorial law.
Yeah.
When according full faith and credit to an order issued by a court of another state, tribe, or territory,
Yes.
notice to the party against whom the order was issued is not required, unless the party protected under the order requests it.
Yes.
Now, when according full faith and credit to an order issued by a court of another state,
Yeah.
notice of the party against whom the order was issued is not required. Now, issuing an order for a protection order when in the jurisdiction of Guam,
Yeah.
you actually couldn't right now. Renewing a protection order based on the false accusation of violating a protection order,
Yeah.
without an actual verdict of the jury,
Yeah.
you can't
Pouch.
right now. Modifying a protection order
Right now.
while going through a dissolution of marriage, right before the issuance of a parenting plan, so as to obstruct me from
Right now.
and then renewing a protection order for 2 years,
Yeah.
where it was mail and publication,
Yeah.
and the sheriff's department called me on my cell phone,
Yeah.
and then they waited 9 weeks
Later. Right now. Shut off.
Full faith and credit given to protection orders. 18 U.S. Code 2265. Yeah. Parenting plan, exclusive, continuing jurisdiction. Child Relocation Act, Clallam County, Jefferson County.
Yeah.
And then there's the stipulation and order from
Guam. Right now.
regulating the contact between myself, my wife, and my sons.
Yeah.
Where you as a state refuse to acknowledge the foreign jurisdiction of Guam, as well as the Organic Act,
Yeah.
because you